National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Noble County in northeastern Indiana, western Whitley County in northeastern Indiana, Kosciuszko County, Indiana, until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Milford to 6 miles southeast of Napanee to Mentone, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Warsaw, Columbia City, Winona Lake, Tri-Lakes, South Whitley, Milford, North Webster, Kirsten, Mentone, Etna Green, Leesburg, Claypool, Larnwell, Burkitt, Sydney, Big Barbie Lake, Ridinger Lake, Monaca and Hoffman Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Kosciuszko, Noble, and Whitley. This is no